Learn how to install the latest GCam 8.7 on your Android phone and experience the amazing camera quality of Pixel smartphones without owning one. GCam is the Google camera app, and the magic behind the camera's image quality is mostly in its software. Thanks to the GCam mod created by the large Android community, this quality can be achieved on various devices, including modest phones from Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Motorola, and more. The latest GCam 8.7 version was specially developed for Android 13 phones, but it can also work on devices with Android 11 or above. Some of its new features include new animations for mode switching, a slidable zoom control, an auto macro button, night vision, and a gap of 3 to 6 seconds in night mode. However, some exclusive Pixel 7 features like Magic Eraser, Real Tone, and Cinematic Blur are not yet available, but they may be added in the future. To install GCam 8.7, download and install the APK provided in the link, and allow installation from unknown sources, if necessary. Open the Google Camera app once the installation is complete, and an icon will also appear on your home screen or app drawer. If you encounter any issues, wait for future versions or try an older version of the mod. It's worth noting that developers have brought exclusive Pixel features to more phones in the past, so there's a possibility that some features may be added to the GCam mod in the future.